Well, Uber just launched new bonuses for drivers. We're gonna get into the details today. Please thumbs up the video if you think Uber drivers deserve more pay. We're gonna get into that. But first, I wanna thank our sponsor, Solo. So Solo is the business app for gig workers, and they're paying drivers a guaranteed pay amount. So when you go out and drive, let's say from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., they're gonna guarantee that you make $37 on Lyft. Or with Uber, they're gonna guarantee that you make 37 bucks in that hour with Uber, or even 38 with DoorDash. So check out Solo with our link below. There's so many awesome creators who are promoting Solo. When you use our unique link, they're gonna send you $15 just for signing up and linking your gig account for free. Free to sign up anywhere in the country, and you can get started right now. So I just got this email from Uber, and he said, Uber sent this out. So keep in mind, this is for people who haven't done a lot of trips lately. 5 trips in your city earning you $100 extra, meaning $20 bonus per ride. And this obviously counts for people who haven't done rides in a while. They're just basically throwing out money to help start flooding the market. Now, I did click on this link. This is the Rideshare Guy. As you can see here, I clicked on his promotion that he has, because we don't have a promotion with Uber right now. But with him, this is the promotion in Orange County, $2,380, a very specific number, by the way, when you complete 200 trips. So that is a guaranteed amount. Let's see, 2,380 divided by 200. So that's actually really bad. $11.90 per ride. If you're driving Uber right now, you're most likely gonna be making more than that. So while this seems really enticing, oh yeah, earn this amount, they're probably not gonna pay you any more. Now, Lyft, on the other hand, actually does have a really good sign-up bonus. Now, look at this. Actually, this is our sign-up bonus link. So actually, we do have a sign-up bonus link with Lyft, and you can check it out below, but Lyft actually does have a $650 bonus in Orange County. This is better than Lyft, in my opinion. And also, Lyft now has this thing where if you have taken a break with Lyft, they're paying you to get back on the road. So this is the same thing with Uber. I haven't seen Uber or Lyft do this before, well, maybe within the past few months, but they're paying drivers to get back on the road if you've taken a break. Obviously, I've done Uber before, and I haven't driven a little bit of a while, but look at this one. Well, actually, Lyft doesn't say what you're gonna do, but they do let you do a bonus if you've driven for Lyft in the past, but haven't in a while. But yeah, guys, those are the main updates. Obviously, driver promotions, they have quests and boosts. This is just, normal, the most up-to-date ones that they have right now. And with Uber Pro, they have some bonuses and rewards for drivers too. So let me know your thoughts. Is this enough for drivers to, kind of offset the price of gas and maintenance and wear and tear in your car and inflation? Things are getting so expensive right now. So let me know what you think, if Uber's doing enough for drivers. Thanks for watching, guys. And check out Solo down below. They will send you a $15 sign-up bonus just for signing up for free and linking your gig account when you use our link. And you can sign up for free anywhere in the country, and you can get started with this pay guarantee thing. And that is only available in certain markets, and that does have a free trial. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.